baking soda. Oh, sorry.
There you go.
Alright, here it goes. Watch.
Oh, yeah.
Watch out for the lava!
And if you,
Watch out for the lava!
if you listen, you can hear it bubbling.
Oh yeah, this is
That's
awesome.
so cool. And it'll bubble for it'll go for a long time.
This is awesome.
It would have been better inside because of wind. That's so cool.
See it? The hotter the water is, the more it.
Look at that, it's wild. Oh my gosh, look at Alexis, she's going wild.
Yeah, that's what we did.
The fox! Oh no! The fox!
Hey, if they're doing a video, I think I can look at that one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at the lava.
Yeah. Her knees are burning.
Oh my goodness. Watch out.
The guys around the fire were praying that it wouldn't erupt in a big
This is awesome.
The lava is coming to the fox. The lava's coming to the fox. What happens if you put the juice in there? Nothing. It's vinegar. Wait. No, wait.
It's so cold out here.
Drive your car around here. Step up all the water.
Guys.
Wait, you're getting in the picture. You're getting in the picture. You don't want to get in the picture. You don't want to get in the picture.
Yeah, I'm going to take your inside. She's cold.
Who wants the fox? Me!
Chris.
He's drowning.
Put some more ice in there, Kayla.
Look at bubbles.
Bubbles, yeah.
There's bubbles and then
There's soap in there.
Mount Wanahaka-Loogie.
Make that one explode.
Wanahaka-Loogie from Finding Nemo.
Kayla, put your
You ever
knee
seen
up.
Finding Nemo?
Michaela, put your knee up. Your knee's gonna get soaking.
Oh wow.
And lava.
Oh,
somebody died there. The Indians are standing in a pot of bubbles.
Go over there or something.
No, just don't put your knees down.
Look at that.
No, right back up. Yeah, don't put your knees down.
Something's bleeding. The Indians are bleeding.
All right, everybody take one step back. Take one more step back. Okay, now listen up.
The Indians are bleeding.
Michaela's parents, their dad's going to get the car, then you guys can just empty the water. But Mikayla and Alexis, you have to come in with us, okay? All right, and everybody claps.
That was so
Best volcano was the one for that. This is awesome.
All the Indians are dead.
This was wild, all the way from Hawaii.
The volcano's name is Hualalai.
That's about full.
I
volcano actually just erupted.
I should have gone first.
Over there.
Oh, yeah.
We were watching.
Oh, is that the thing I said?
We were watching lava.
Yeah,
It goes really slow.
Is that the same?
This isn't like a true effect of the lava because the lava